What's up, ladies and germs? It's Nathan, MDRN from Modern Games, and I'm going to be showing you guys a wicked tool that a lot of people don't know about, especially non-VR developers. So MetaQuest, that company has released a tool called an asset library. We're going to jump into that today, and it's better than Sketchfab. It's free assets, and you can use them in your game, use them in your projects, and sell them how you like. So let's jump right into this amazing tool. So I brought up the documentation here. What you need before you're even able to get access to this is you're going to need to go to Package Manager, which is Window Assets Package Manager for all of my Unity developer. This is for Unity. It's also available standalone, but this is going to be specifically focused on Unity. So you want to go and get the core meta core asset from the asset store. I'm a VR developer, so I have all the meta things. The one you need is the meta core SDK, and this has the library in it. Okay, I have imported the samples. It's for mixed reality and virtual reality. I highly recommend everyone get into it because you learn so many new things. So download and import this package. If you don't have it, go to the store page and pick it up. I'll include that in the description. So getting back to this, it's a asset library tool that we're able to get assets. You'll log into your Meta account. That is probably something to include in the prerequisites here. And then you're essentially just able to search for any asset that has been generated in the library, and you're able to select the LOD, the level of detail of the 3D object. Click plus, and you'll be able to add it to your scene. Super simple, right? So I've gone ahead. Right now I'm working on a Grand Theft Auto for virtual reality called Streets of Miami. It's not a direct port. It's a Grand Theft Auto inspired experience. Grand Theft Auto Vice City. You can see it has lots of art inspiration. I mean, Miami could only look so much like Miami in so many ways, but some things definitely look a little similar. Anyways, so I want a donut in my scene, right? So I just searched donut. This is a nice donut. I can choose the LOD, and I'm not gonna lie, some of them are not perfect. So we can test an object and see how it goes. My health kit and my armor in my game are assets from this library, and I have scripts on them to make them heal my character, and they work properly. So we can open the inspector. This is one vest that I got from the asset store, and it works. You know, now that I'm looking, there is a bit of choppiness there, but it's not perfect, but it gets the job done. I mean, it's symmetrical here and here, so it is what it is. This is also a health kit. So after hitting the plus button, it will import it into our scene as this number looking thing, and that looks pretty good. And we can add an LOD group habitually to this. Delete. You can also import the other LODs to make a more direct, make more transitions, and get more quality out of it. But you're gonna have more triangles. So now I could put this donut over here and put it in my scene as the donut shop here. Boom. You see that? Now we have this Starlight Hotel donut. Unfortunately, I can't get rid of that because it's building, but now we have the donut shop with this character who is inspired by my ex-girlfriend. Hilarious. So that is the asset library. Here it is. It's very valuable. You can go ahead and search different things. So let's just do carrot. You can get different carrots. Let's try a policeman. Let's see if it can do, if it has models of characters like humanoids. Nice, it does. Now they're probably not going to be animated. Policeman T-pose, but there are definitely characters that you could use. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I know that this will be helpful for so many people out there who are making VR games and non-VR games. Thank you so much for watching, and that is MetaQuest's AI asset library that you can use copyright free in your games today. Go check it out. Nathan, MDRN, Modern Game Dev. Go check out my virtual reality games. Streets of Miami and Streets of New York just went into pre-order. They're set to be pretty big releases. I'm really stoked for them. It's a lot of work, so I need all the support I can get. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I shall see you later.